Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss something amazing and mysterious. Have you ever wondered how numbers can influence your life? What if I told you that there is a number that can reveal your life path and help you find your purpose? Stay with us until the end and you will discover how your destiny number can change your life. Numerology is an ancient science that studies the influence of numbers on our lives. Each number has its unique energy and vibration that can guide us on the right path. The destiny number is one of the most important numbers in numerology. It reveals your true essence and purpose. You can determine your destiny number using a simple formula. To do this, add all the digits of your birth date until you get a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on April 15, 1992, your calculation would be as follows. 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 sign plus 2 is 31, 3 plus 1, 4. In this case, your destiny number is 4. Let's explore what each destiny number means. The number 1 symbolizes leadership and individuality. People with the number 1 often become leaders. They are ambitious and strive for success. An example of such a person could be Napoleon Bonaparte, whose actions changed the course of history. The number 2 symbolizes harmony and cooperation. People with this number are often excellent diplomats and partners. Think of Gandhi, who preached peace and cooperation. The number 3 represents creativity and communication. People with the number 3 often become artists, writers, and speakers. Their energy inspires others to achieve new heights. An example of such a person could be Pablo Picasso, whose art changed the world. The number 4 symbolizes stability and practicality. People with the number 4 are hardworking and disciplined. They achieve success through their diligence and determination. An example could be Warren Buffett, whose hard work and discipline made him one of the richest people in the world. The number 5 represents freedom and adventure. People with the number 5 love to travel. They are constantly seeking new experiences and inspiration. Their lives are full of adventures and discoveries. An example of such a person could be Jules Verne, whose works inspired millions of people to travel. The number 6 symbolizes care and responsibility. People with the number 6 often become teachers, doctors, and social workers. They find inspiration in helping others. An example could be Florence Nightingale, whose efforts in medicine saved many lives. The number 7 represents wisdom and knowledge. People with the number 7 strive for knowledge and discoveries. They often become scientists and researchers. Their discoveries change the world. An example of such a person could be Albert Einstein, whose discoveries changed our understanding of the universe. The number 8 symbolizes success and ambition. People with the number 8 possess business acumen and resource management skills. They often become successful entrepreneurs and leaders. An example could be Donald Trump, who became a successful businessman through his business skills. The number 9 represents compassion and humanitarianism. People with the number 9 often dedicate their lives to helping others. They become volunteers, doctors, and teachers. Their lives are full of charity and self-sacrifice. An example of such a person could be Mahatma Gandhi, who preached peace and justice through his life and actions. Now that you know what each destiny number means, you can use this information to understand yourself and your life path. To make the most of your destiny number, try to incorporate elements corresponding to your number into your life. For example, if your number is 3, surround yourself with creative people and inspiring things. If your number is 4, try to create a stable and structured environment for your work. Remember that each number has its unique energy. And by understanding this, you can direct your life in the right direction. Don't be afraid to experiment and seek new ways for self-realization. Creativity and development are constant processes. Try new methods and approaches, explore new horizons. Every failure is a step towards success. Believe in your strengths and abilities, and numbers will help you find your path to happiness and success. Dear friends, thank you for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create new and interesting videos. And remember, If we get 5,000 likes, I will post a video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. See you next time, and may the numbers always be on your side.